Kove 800X Pro or Rally model rear rack combo installation guide. So we have the right side, left side grab handles. We have the rear luggage rack. We have brackets. So these two are the front brackets, one on each side. This one's the rear bracket. The supplied hardware, two M8 by 45 millimeter long Allen bolts, socket head, plus two washers, four M8 by 20 millimeter long tapered Allen bolts, plus washers and nylock nuts, and then six M8 by 20 millimeter long Allen bolts. Again, these are also socket head. The tools I'm going to be using for the installation: ratchet extension, 13 millimeter wrench or spanner, and 5 and 6 millimeter Allen keys. First thing, take the seat off, of course, and then if you have the OEM grab handles, take those off, and then grab the rear bracket, slip it in place, nice and easy. This is the orientation. And then you can also grab the M8 by 45s. I suggest that you apply a dab of Loctite. Blue will do. And no tools at this point. Just hand thread the bolts in, turn them a few times. Do not pull them tight. You want to make sure there is some play, like so. There's some play still, that's perfect. And now we're gonna go ahead and put on the brackets. And that's the only way you're gonna be able to slip them in place, in this little crevice. And then M8 by 20 socket head bolt and a dab of Loctite. Same thing, you don't need tools. Any tool at this point, just hand thread the bolt in and make sure to leave the bracket loose. Same thing on the opposite side. Keep it nice and clean. Or with the help of a tool, you can turn the bolt a few more times. So this is how we're looking. The three brackets are in place. Okay, so once again, I got some blue Loctite on the two bolts that I am putting in, like so. Okay, next step is to place the tail rack on top. You got to line up the mounting holes, all four of them. And this is why we suggest that you leave the grab handles a bit loose. So I have the four tapered Allen bolts, and they will not need any Loctite because you're putting on nylock nuts. So let's start at the back. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And on the bottom side, washers and nylock nuts. Okay, so this is how we're looking now. Washers, nylock nuts, all four of them are in there. It's a bit of a tight space back here. Optionally, you can assemble the tail rack with the grab handles in advance. Just make sure that you leave those bolts very nice and loose, or you can do it the way I did it. Just the bolts back here are a little bit more in a tight spot, but it's all doable. So a little side note, in case you are installing our rackless support, do not tighten the bolts. Again, it's just gonna make the installation so much easier if you leave the bolts loose and the brackets. If you're not installing the rackless support, then you can go ahead and gradually tighten all the bolts and nuts. Sometimes that means you turn this bolt a few times, and this one, and then start all over again. You just don't want to pull one bolt all the way till the end, until the bottom's out, because that can pull on the structure. So you might end up with a slightly lopsided set of grab handles. So again, we recommend that after a test ride, 100 kilometers, 150 kilometers, 80 miles, 120 miles, you double check all the bolts and nuts once again. Should you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via email, info@outbackmotortek.com, or you can also call toll-free 877-931-3636. Thanks for watching.